Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore the wallets in the Edge application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the top of your right corner and there you will find three lines. Press on it and here you can just press on the settings, and after that you can just scroll down here and press on restore wallets, and you can just press on confirm here and your wallets are going to be restored afterwards and you don't need to do anything really. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.